Welcome again. Welcome again to Zavi Money channel. Life is good and life is very, very painful. I would like to say that life is what? An ironical oxymoron. It is a mix up of two words and as well the opposite of what you mean. So an oxymoron, which is what? Further an irony. So that's about that. So always make sure to appreciate life, no matter how it goes for you. So make sure, you keep up the good work. So survival of the fittest, guys. So you gotta be fit every single time. That's by the way. So today on Zavi Money channel, we're gonna be talking about a HTML ordered list. Yes, a HTML ordered list. Previously, in our last video, or in another video actually, we did talk about unordered list. Today, we're going to be looking at what? HTML ordered list. So, what's the HTML ordered list? A HTML ordered list, is a HTML list that starts with what? The OL tag and ends with the OL tag, which is a HTML list that starts with an ordered list tag and ends with an ordered list tag. That is simply what it means. It is, short, precise, and that's simple to understand and comprehend. So let's go to our HTML file and do something. Welcome, guys. Always watch my videos, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's go to our HTML file and then we do Control A on the keyboard and do away with this. Insert a new one. So Shift plus 1 like we do. Hit enter on the keyboard. This is what our new tags we're going to be working on. So just same tags we always do work with. Now we go to the title like we do, edit this, call it HTML ordered what? This is ordered as in order then add. So HTML ordered list. This is the way it goes, guys. Having done that, now we have edited in our title. This adds more meaning to our web page, telling us that what we are learning today is what about HTML ordered list. Then next up, we're going to do this, go proper to the body of our document. That's where we're actually going to be working with. Now, right in the body, we move over to the practicals as usual. Having explained what a HTML ordered list is, so you need to focus more now to get the practicals in your head. So this is what we do to create a HTML ordered list. All you have to do is what? OL on the keyboard, it appears. You hit enter on the keyboard, hit enter again, and then your OL tag, has been queued in your HTML documents. Now the next thing is to do what? Create the list of items that will be inside the OL tag or the unordered list tag, because the OL tag represents what? The ordered list tag. So this tag we are looking at, which is what? The OL, just like my mouse pointer is hovering on it, is called the OL tag, and this is it too, guys. Now what else? We go to making our list proper. So what are the list items we'll be putting in our what? In our OL tag. Let's have something like, what should you have, guys? Okay, we should actually give this our ordered list a heading. Let's come here and I just clicked in front of the body tag. Let's click in front of there, hit enter on the keyboard. Let's caption this our ordered list tag h1, hit enter on the keyboard. What list should we make, guys? I'm running around in my brain. This is real. I'm real, trying to what list should we make? Let's make a list of the kind of songs we play. So let's say H1 now. I've got the caption in my head: list of my of what my favorite. This is favorite, guys. List of my favorite songs. Okay, so the H1 here converts to our users and to us. Actually, that was this is a list of my favorite songs. Then we go back to the OL tag, which we have already created, so we can put list items inside it. So we click here, hit tab on the keyboard, and then it takes us to the OL tag proper. Now let's make a list of our favorite songs. DM me, guys, if you want me to make a list of your favorite song and post next time. Share your links, your social media links, so people can contact you. See the list of your favorite songs, and then you get to mix up with them on that level. They like these favorite songs for you. If you want to do that, go below the description in this video. Just to send me a message, just DM me, and then that's all you need. And comment on the video as well if you want me to do that. So let's move on. No distractions. Now, to create the list items inside the OL tag, what do? We do li just like we normally do in on other lists. It's still the same list tag we use to create what the list items inside both the ordered list and the unordered list. Then quickly, guys, what do? We hit enter on the keyboard, and then we begin to create names of songs, right? That's the idea. We're trying to create list of my what a list of my favorite songs. So let's say the number one on that list is what? Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran. Let's have Ed Sheeran. I hope I'm right, guys. I hope I did spell right. If I didn't, comment below and tell me that I didn't get the spelling to what Ed Sheeran. I believe I got Ed, maybe Sharon. It's not working out for me. But this is an example. So focus, guys. Don't get lost. So Ed Sheeran. Mm, what song of Ed Sheeran should we log in here? I think he has a song with the title Perfect. Yeah. I think he does have. Mm, so okay, I think he does have a song, with a title Perfect. If he doesn't have, let's use that for example. So Ed Sheeran Perfect. Then we go over to the next list item. In our ordered list, we have Li. Then we hit enter on the keyboard. What's next? We have another great singer on our list. Let's have Rihanna. Let's have Rihanna and have Man Down. Yeah, she has a song called Man Down. So we love to play that. Now let's check out another song. Hit enter on the keyboard. Then Li. Hit enter on the keyboard again. Let's have mm, what's the name of that song again? Beyonce called was saying something like I've been drinking. Drunk in Love. Yeah, I got it. I got it, guys. This is Beyonce. Let's have Beyonce. These are good songs of all times. Beyonce, we have what? Uh, Drunk in Love. Are you drunk in love, guys? Let me know, in the comment section to this video. So this is an interactive, lecture. We are not just learning, we are also having fun. That's how we learn. So we can relax our mind and learn on Savvy Money channel and learn so good, and you always want to learn with me. Yeah, that's by the way. So Beyonce, Drunk in Love. Then we can navigate with our arrow key. Can navigate with our arrow key here. Hit enter on the keyboard, and then create another list of songs, because we're going to be creating just 5 lists. So we just have 2 more lists to go. Then the fourth song should be, let's have uh which musician am I looking for in my head now? Let's look for Chris Brown. This is a great musician. I love his songs, guys. So Chris Brown, we have what? Let's look at one of the songs he has in his list. With you, yeah, that particular song we normally do. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Yeah, that's where it goes. So Chris Brown, with you, we just created that. So navigate with our arrow key again. Hit enter on the keyboard, LI, and the next thing is what? The last song on our favorite list or favorite song list. So who should we be looking at? Okay, is it guys over girls or girls over guys? We have like two guys here, Sharon, two ladies. These not girls but two ladies now, Rihanna and Beyonce. So let's look at another great song here, Elton John. So guys win guys, Elton John. You want me to make a video and create an ordered list where what you know girls songs win. Let me know girls, let me know ladies, just comment on this video. I'm gonna do that for you. So list Elton John, then we have the song as what, Sacrifice. Normally here, this song that goes this way, sacrifice, yeah, stuff like that. So Elton John, Sacrifice. So this is our list now, right? Good. This is our list proper. So we have succeeded in creating, uh, a list of our favorite songs. So we just have five songs inside. Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Man Down by Rihanna, Drunk in Love, Beyonce, With You, Chris Brown, and Sacrifice, Elton John. And we also have, a heading to that, which is captioned list of my favorite songs. So let's, review our code. Let's run our code. I'm gonna run my own code right now. So let's run the code, on our machine. So I just did run the code. Then you guys are gonna be seeing that out. So check this out, guys. Check this out. Actually, so we are running the code here, guys. So I just did run the code, and this is our code. You all can see my screen. You all can see my screen. So this is our web page where we have list of my favorite songs. So this is a list of our favorite songs, and this is what the list of the songs we did put inside. We had Ed Sheeran, Perfect, then Rihanna, Man Down, Beyonce, Drunk in Love, Chris Brown, With You, Elton John, Sacrifice. So this is a beautiful what ordered list. Yeah. So now the presentation comes the same way with the ordered list, right? With the unordered list. When we talked about the unordered list in another video, you would see that it still came the same way. Like the first item we did put in the list tag also appear just sequentially that way. But now the ordered list, is more presentable than the unordered list because its numbering or order of preference which it places beside the list item, goes more perfect than that of the unordered list. Now here is numbering, the list of our favorite songs with a numeric value, and it starts with the first numerical value we know from 1 to 3 to from 1, just as my mouse pointer is beside it here, from 1 to 2 to 3, 4 and 5. So it gives it perfect numbering, telling our users and telling us actually that what in the list of our favorite songs, our number one song is Ed Sheeran, the second one is Rihanna, Beyonce, Chris Brown, and Elton John, Sacrifice. So this is the way it works, guys. So just like the unordered list, both are beautiful. Depends on what you want to create and the way you want to create it. You can use any of them. So this is what the ordered list is, just so beautiful and it's so perfect. So we just succeeded in creating an unordered list. So just like my mouse pointer is hovering around that area. So this is what an this is what an ordered list. Yeah, an ordered HTML list, guys. This is it. So we can create, a little more. So we do get to learn how to do this better. So let's go over here, navigate back to what our VS Code, and then this is our VS Code. So let's make another what other list like we do. So here let's call this OL again. This is OL. Okay, we'll break this out first. Backspace. Let's add a line break here to separate them. Then we hit enter on the keyboard, and then this is OL. We hit OL, hit it again, and then our OL tag is created, which is our other list tag. Then we put this inside here. Let's just make a list of something different, a list of our likes, things we like, things we do like. So let's have Li, me, I love music, or I love football at the top of it. So a quick example, this is list football. I love football, and then go again. This is list, and I love what music. So we love football, we love music. I'm being interactive now. I'm being considerate with you guys. So we are creating a list of the things we like. So we all on this channel, we all visiting this channel, and everybody in the world, we love football. Yes, we love football. That's our first list, and we love music. That's the second list. We go over here, create another list for our likes. We have Li. We hit enter on the keyboard. We love what videos. This is it, guys, or rather let's say movies. So this is movies, and we have that. So over here, this is what football, this is music, and this is what movies. So these are three things in our lives that we do actually like. Is there any other thing else? No, 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 no. We love football, we love music, we love movies. Okay, let's just add one more thing to that. So we love Li, the last thing everybody's gonna love this one. We love parties. Yeah, everybody do like parties at times, once in a while, blah blah blah, depending on how much fun you like to have with your life. So we love parties. Let's check this out, guys. Let's check this out. So we navigate back to our Chrome, we go back to our web page, and we check this out. So we're on our web page now, and this is it. So this is football, and we have music, movies, and parties. So this is our ordered list. This is it, guys. This is our ordered list where we have football, movie, music, movies, and parties, showing our likes, what we do like doing with our life every single time. Aside from work, that's what we are actually considering or checking. So here is the list we created. So this is our ordered list. Let me know if you really did enjoy this video. Go below the description this video, give me your likes, like my videos, post your comments, guys. Yeah, comment on this video. Tell me if you really did like it. Tell me, it's every morning I want you to make other HTML videos, other interesting web development videos. So on any topic at all, you can generate a topic. I make a video on it to talk about it. I share it with you guys. You watch the videos, you get to learn and learn more and more about web development. So this is what I do. This is what we do. I know you really did enjoy this video. Always watch my videos, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Is that Zavi Money hyphen 500. Yeah, X in capital, M in capital. And go below the description in this video to see my YouTube channel, and as well, you know, my social media handle. Yes, so you can contact me on Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, email me, and then the rest of them, So you see my Gmail there. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.